I'm looking for some tuning parts for my E36.
Like Koni shocks, lowering springs, M-Sport wheels, and sway bars.
So for a long time, I've had this clunking sound coming from the rear of the car.
Okay, what am I up to today? Well, experiencing some kind of clunking sound from the rear right. Suspecting something with the shock mount, because I checked underneath. I couldn't find anything loose or any bushings to be worn out. At least worn out. I mean, they're well used, let me put it this way. But what did I find? Here, this bushing top mount is totally destroyed on the right side. No clue what happened here. Put these in like 3 years ago. New. This is the other side. It's fine. So I'm gonna take this out, examine it. Weird. Anyway, what's going in is, anyway, I'm changing the rear shocks. Koni. Right now I have a H&R Comfort Cup Kit springs and shocks, but I don't know, the back ones I don't like the ride. I'm looking at something adjustable for the rear, so I got these Koni ones. They're adjustable. Yeah, but this could be the issue of the sound or knock. We will see. This thing is blown out, this top mount. How this happened. I guess too many burnouts, spirited driving. Yeah, so I have new mounts coming anyways, and gonna install the Konis, get rid of this. Something to note with the adjustable Koni shocks, they're oil filled, so they do not decompress by themselves. Something I was a little bit unsure about when I opened it, because they just say closed and it was broken or something, but no, that's how oil filled shocks work apparently. And these are adjustable here by compressing the piston all the way down, and then you can rotate this to the right to make, I don't know, I guess the rebound tighter. They come basically in the base position loosest, so and to able to push this all the way down, you have to take this out, these two pieces out first. I mean, there's a video online describing this, so I'm gonna go probably just to see, make it a little bit stiffer, thinking 1 turn. I mean, according to the website and recommendations from Koni, you should leave it on the softest setting, the way it comes, but for like if you have lowering springs, which I have, you could go like half a turn or maybe a turn. I'm gonna go 1 turn, adjust that turn, and then see how it rides. Unfortunately, you cannot adjust these obviously when it's installed, so any readjustment, you gotta take the shock out. Kind of sucks, so let's just hope the 1 turn, a little bit firmer, will be okay. Yeah, as usual, forgot to film, but Koni shocks with the new shock mount installed. There they are.